Hello friends, myself Sakshi Bhavan More from Guru Gobind Singh Polytechnic, third year electrical. Today's my topic is aggregate technical and commercial losses in power system at states, regional, national and global level. Let us see what is aggregate technical losses. The concept of aggregate technical and commercial losses that provides a realistic picture of loss situation in context. It is measured. It is a combination of energy loss, that is technical loss plus theft plus inefficiency in billing, and commercial losses are default in payment, inefficiency in collection. Let's see the graph that shows the transmission and distribution losses in different countries. The different countries are Norway, Australia, United States, Netherlands, Germany, New Zealand, Ireland, Sweden, etc. in 2009, 2010 and 2011. Let us discuss that energy losses are invited in supplying the electricity consumer premises owing to technical and commercial reasons. Technical losses are energy dissipated in conductors, transformers, other transmission equipments, power transfer, sub-transmission and distribution system. Then what is commercial losses? The commercial losses are hooking, meter bypass, defective meters, unmetered supply, unrecovered billing. The transmission and distribution losses are defined as technical losses plus commercial losses. In 2004, technical and commercial losses was observed to be 34.33 at current status in 18.31 in India. At present, Maharashtra is facing 17.34% technical and commercial losses. Here is a chart that shows the different states facing technical and commercial losses in India, like Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, and our Maharashtra facing 17.34% technical and commercial losses. These states shows the technical and commercial losses in percentage. Then let's discuss about causes of technical losses. Inefficiency, inefficient equipment such as transformer, pumps, electrical machines, and industrial loads. Inadequate size of conductor in distribution lines, long distribution lines, load imbalance among the phases, low power factor, power loading of lines, transformers installed far from load centers, hazardous installations of distribution systems to cope with demands to know areas, bad worshipness. These are some causes of technical losses. Let's discuss about the measures to reduce the technical losses. These are the short-term measures to reduce technical losses, that identification the weakest area of distribution system, reducing the length of LT lines by relocation of distribution substations, installation of lower capacity distribution transformers, formation and substitution of DTs with those having lower no load losses, such as amorphous core transformers, installation of shunt capacitors for improvement of power factor. Now let's see the long-term measures to reduce the technical losses. First, mapping of complete primary and secondary distribution system, clearly depicting various parameters such as conductor size, line length, etc. Second, carrying out detailed distribution system studies considering the expected load development during next 8 to 10 years. Compilation of data regarding existing loads, operating conditions, forecast of expected loads, etc. Preparation of long-term plans for phase strengthening and improvement of distribution system along with associate transmission system. Estimate of financial requirement for implementation of different phases of system improvement works. And last, formulation of comprehensive system improvement schemes with the detailed investment program so as to meet system requirements for first 5-year period. Thank you.